It's a great day at Equity. Today, we're going to talk about real estate wire fraud, also called mortgage wire fraud. This is a complex scheme that may cost victims tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars, and this is most likely money that will never be able to be recovered. Homebuyers are often targets, but you also want to be aware of this scam if you're refinancing a mortgage. To start, we're going to examine some of the red flags you should be on the lookout for when it comes to wire fraud. It's important to note that scammers like to target victims very close to the settlement date, as this is a time when a buyer is ready to send their funds to the closing agent's office. Homebuyers may get a rush request to send the wire earlier than previously expected. If this happens, reach out to the title or settlement company and verify if this request came from them. Always use a trusted method of contact, such as a previously confirmed phone number. If an email is received that seems strange, call the title or settlement company right away per a trusted phone number and confirm it came from them. If it did not, you have a case of potential wire fraud on your hands. In a suspicious email, always look carefully at the sender's email address. Usually, there is one character that is off, or it's coming from a different host domain. It's possible that the sender will use odd or incorrect words or spellings and phrases. Perhaps within the email, the nature of the amount requested is unusual or incorrect. By the time we get a wire request, we should know how much the wire is expected to be. We shouldn't trust last-minute changes to this amount simply being sent through an email. Always be on the lookout for a sender that refuses phone calls and insists on communicating solely via email. We want to be able to confirm verbally with our title and settlement companies to protect ourselves and our buyers. Now let's talk about steps that we can take to avoid wire fraud before it happens. Collect contact information for the title or settlement company early in the transaction. Having legitimate phone numbers that you can call to confirm wire instruction is vital. Try to get these as early in the process as possible, either when you meet people in person or by initiating a call to the title or settlement office. If you get an email telling you these phone numbers have changed, call the office or another trusted number to verify that it's true. Create passcodes as an added layer of security. You can create a secret word or phrase with key people such as real estate agents, loan officers, and title officers, but make sure it's never shared in email. Also, many title and settlement companies set up secure client portals for communicating sensitive information. Access to this kind of portal requires you to set up a username and password. So, if the company you are doing business with has not initiated this, please reach out to them and see if it's available. Pick up the phone before you send a wire, even if there wasn't a last-minute change. Call the receiving party, the lender or the title company for instance, to confirm the account name and number. Also, ask your bank or wire transfer company to verify the receiving account's name and number. Verify the transaction after the transfer of funds is complete. Once the wire has been sent, pick up the phone again to make sure the money was received into the correct account. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your post notifications to never miss a new video. Please leave a comment below if this video was helpful and if you'd like to see more videos on similar topics.